our bold guys. How y'all feeling?
Great.
People jump in, they jump in other classes, and they're lost. There's a lot of new people jumping into draping right now, and they're bypassing the foundation. The easiest way to make it look like it costs more money is to play with fabric. And when you think about stiff, I want you to associate stiff with pleats, because that's the whole purpose.
Hi, my name is Shamika. I'm from Detroit, Michigan, and this is my refreshers course with Precious. Love the class, love the instruction, love the vibes, everything about it, and I'll be coming back soon.
Precious is an excellent instructor. I've learned so much. I decided to take this class because I wanted to be better able to provide quality service. I recommend anyone who's interested in getting into draping.
And I've been following Precious for 6 years. I found her on YouTube and she is amazing. And in person is even better. There's nothing like learning the technique, touching the drape, and seeing how to do the process. Posh Academy is amazing, and I'm glad I'm here.
I'm Laura Jones, and I'm here at the Drapery Posh Academy. So I'm just having a ball today and working on my project in back of me. And so looking forward to seeing the finished product and finished learning for the day.
Posh Academy! Hey guys, we just wrapped our intro class in the Basics to Baroque Premium Draping Masterclass here in our Atlanta studio. If you're looking to learn draping and take your skills to the next level and charge a premium coin while doing so, you need to start in the intro class. And then you can always work your way up. So if you're looking for our schedule, just hit the link below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!